Good day to everyone. Today, I have the honor and privilege to address the members of Philippine Cooperative Center, PCC, on the momentous occasion of your 25th Annual General Assembly. To Ms. Divina, Sikwimi, and all members in PCC, please accept my warmest congratulations. This milestone is a testament to the dedication and achievement of the PCC community. Under the inspiring theme, Forging a New Path, Building a Common Cooperative Agenda, your Assembly highlights a commitment of PCC towards pursuit of excellence and the establishment of a united cooperative agenda. On behalf of the Malaysian National Cooperative Movement, ANGKASA, and the ASEAN Cooperative Organization, ACO, we express our support and commitment to the Philippine Cooperative Center, or PCC. With the appointment of Mr. Raul Montemayor, the Vice Chairperson of PCC, as the Vice President of ASEAN Cooperative Organization, each demonstrates PCC's dedication to driving positive change and benefit of all members and communities in the ASEAN region. Once again, please accept my congratulations on your Annual General Assembly. I am confident that Philippine Cooperative Center will continue to thrive and inspire cooperative movement worldwide.